If you are anything like me, when you get to the tomato section in an Italian supermarket, you might just be wondering, which one should I buy?
So here we go.
Come with me, let's figure it out together.
So personally, this is what I have observed.
I am not saying this is the only way to use
This is just what has worked for me.
For stew and jollof rice,
I would prefer tomatoes like
Pomodoro Oblungo.
They seem to have more flesh and less water.
They work better for the kind of stew I like to make.
And again, that just means you might prefer something different.
And these are
Pomodoro Grappolo.
I've used them for everyday cooking,
and they work just fine. If I'm making a simple sauce or cooking at home, I don't mind using them. Just look at the size of this one.
These are Cuore di Bue,
which literally means us heart. They are big and very juicy.
Personally, I enjoy them more in salad or sandwich.
Definitely not for my stew.
And next, the cherry family. These are Datterino,
Ciliegino.
They work better for me in making pasta, pizza, and salad. And if you prefer eating raw tomatoes like me, go for Datterino. And again, this is just my experience. I'm still learning and I'd love to know what works for you. If you have found another tomato in Italy that is perfect for Nigerian cooking, please share it in the comments. We can all learn from each other.
I was learning how to breathe again, finding beauty in the night. And when the world feels far away, I hear a voice that tells me stay. Take me back to the places where my heart feels alive, where the memories are waiting like stars in the sky. I don't need forever, I just need this moment true. A little piece of heaven, a little piece of you.
I've walked through unfamiliar streets with 1,000 thoughts inside, but every step has brought me closer to the person I was meant to find.
The past is just a photograph, the future's still unknown, but I'm grateful for the journey, because it